Hey, where's everybody?
What do you mean, man? It's just the two of us. Look!
Okay.
I got you one too! Isn't this just the best sleepover ever? Just you and me like the best friends we are.
Oh yeah, sure, Ian.
Lenny, get the fuck out! I said just the two of us!
Hey, take it easy, dude.
Oh, come on, man. We're the best friends. It's just you and me. What was that noise?
Which noise?
That sound.
I just hiccup.
Oh my god! You're possessed!
Calm down, Ian. It's just hiccup.
Oh my god! You got a demon inside you! I saw this on the History Channel once. It happened a long time ago in a mountain of Candyland. It was Mr. and Mrs. Smith. They lived happily over there. But suddenly, something changed their lives forever. Forever.
You'll see, they were very happy, he and his wife Penny. You can see them dancing over there. Until one day. They once made homemade booze in their toilet, and when they drank it, they got what they thought were hiccups, but they were wrong. You'll see, hiccups were the only thing they had for fun, as video games were not already invented or anything, but their luck was about to turn deadly. So deadly. Deadly!
Oh, so deadly. First came the burning, then came the blinding, and then came the worst bad of all, the thing that still haunts me to this day.
What happened?
I don't know, I just got bored and changed the channel. But when I changed the channel back, they were all dead.
Oh my god! You have to help me!
Come on, dude, I know just the guy.